Experience the thrill of a lifetime like never before, with tours from ToNiagara. Join our Niagara Falls Tour with a boat ride and zipline for an unforgettable adventure. Join our Niagara Boat Tour for an unforgettable adventure. Feel the mist and hear the roar of the mighty falls up close. Join our Niagara Boat Ride for an unforgettable adventure. Feel the adrenaline rush as you soar high above the falls on our exhilarating zipline. Whether it's the splash of the water or the wind in your hair, ToNiagara offers an experience like no other. Book our day tours for a complete Niagara experience. Don't miss out. Book our boat tours and Niagara Falls Zipline with ToNiagara today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ToNiagara for more amazing travel experiences. Until next time, happy travels.